There's no room for you, honey. There's no room.
Up, up.
Sorry, honey.
In the early 1900s, ranchers needing water for their stock searched for ways to supplement natural water sources. They dug wells, improved springs, and expanded natural catch basins and drainages of canyons and rock formations by building small dams. This area began as a natural tank, a catch basin for rainfall and runoff. It was expanded into a dam by the Barker and Shea Cattle Company and still later enlarged by Bill Keys, owner of the Desert Queen Ranch. At its maximum, it encompasses about 20 acres. A pipeline once carried water to the cattle trough and the wash behind the dam. Cattle ranching was a short-lived effort in this area. When the rainfall decreased in the early part of this century, grasses declined and many springs dried up. Cattle raising gradually moved farther west to greener pastures. Today, Barker Dam is a reminder of the past, its waters reflecting only the brown rocks and blue skies of the desert. It is a quiet place in a noisy world and a precious watering hole for desert animals and migrating birds.
left in there. You got him.
He wants down.
Yeah.
Come on down, Gavin.
Walk. It seems like it's mostly hurt his fingers. I think so too. Careful not to touch.
Okay, stay. Hold on, sweetheart. Wait for mommy. Oh, Petroglyph. Hold on, sweetheart.
Gavin, what does the cow say?
Native Americans migrating through here in their continuous search for food and water left behind evidence of their activities. Petroglyphs have been found carved into canyon walls and boulders, generally near food or water sites. Pictographs painted in red, black and white are found on ceilings and walls of rock shelters. Mortars and grinding slicks where seeds were crushed or ground are also found among the rocks. Nearby you will see petroglyphs which have been traced over with paint. This type of vandalism prevents others from seeing the petroglyphs in their original form.
There's no room for you, honey. There's no room.
Up.
Sorry, Annie. There's no room for you up there, too.